Hey, what's up you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, we're going to talk about how we helped a landscaper make $575,000 in 90 days using the push versus pull method of marketing. Now, we also have a really good giveaway for this video, so if you comment PDF in the comments, I'll send that over to you, and it breaks down this push versus pull method, and you can learn more about it. Now, as you're watching this right now, you're probably wondering what a push versus pull marketing method actually is. And I've personally not heard many other marketers talk about push versus pull marketing. And quite frankly, I think it's because they don't actually understand the difference between that. And most people don't. And in today's video, I want to break down the genius of having a push versus pull marketing method in your strategy and how that can equate to results like $500,000 in 90 days. So let's break down what push versus pull marketing is, and then I want to break down how it can work together in your business to be able to generate a result like this. Now, the first thing that you need to understand when it comes to push versus pull marketing is that they do very different things in your business, right? There are many different ways for you to get leads, and not all leads are created equally. It depends based off their source, it depends based off of how well they know you, etc., etc., etc. A lot of the times in marketing, you'll actually hear marketers refer to a lead as like, oh, this is a warm lead, or this is a cold lead, right? And what they mean by that is a cold lead is someone who doesn't really know you that well, and maybe it's the first time they're coming in contact to your business, whereas a warm lead is someone who does know you quite well. Maybe they've seen your ads around, maybe they've even spoken to you, maybe they're a referral, etc. And so today, we're going to talk about the difference of push versus pull marketing and the difference that that generates in the quality of leads and how you can now self-analyze your business and see, okay, do I have mostly push marketing or do I have mostly pull marketing? Now, the name and themselves kind of give away how it works, but you may not have thought about marketing in this sense before, so I'm going to break it down for you, right? So when we're talking about push marketing, imagine in your mind push marketing. When you hear that, what comes to mind? Well, most of the time, what would come to mind is like pushing something onto someone, right? So what push marketing is all of your outbound marketing. This is stuff like maybe doing door hangers, right? This is stuff like doing door-to-door marketing, right? Where you're going door-to-door and you're getting leads. This is stuff like Facebook ads, for example. This is stuff like YouTube ads. The very nature of push marketing is going to be interruptive in nature. So when I say interruptive, what I mean by that is that the person that you are reaching, which with push marketing, they don't necessarily, like they haven't asked to speak with you, right? You're interrupting their day to do some marketing. So the very nature of push marketing is that the lead flow is going to be higher because of your own efforts. You are going out and facilitating marketing, right? However, the quality of push marketing, like the quality of that lead is always going to be lower than pull marketing. And we're going to get into that in just a sec. But the quality of the lead from push marketing will never be able to be the same as pull marketing. It is impossible. Push marketing is always going to be driving a higher quality of a higher number of leads with a lower quality of lead that you get, simply because it is interrupting someone's day and it is on your own effort. So again, this is like your Facebook ads. This is YouTube ads. This is door-to-door. These are flyers. These are door hangers. These are all of these interruptive type things that we're doing to reach people who don't necessarily know us, right? Whereas pull marketing, this is a completely different ballgame. So pull marketing means that people are now coming to us, right? And this is probably one of the easiest type of leads to close, pull marketing. This is like Google, right? Someone searches up your business on Google, they find you on Google and they call you. This is like, let's say that you've got a book out, right? Like personally, I have a book, Digital Marketing Secrets for Contractors. Pull marketing would be like someone bought your book, read it, and they were like, I want to talk to Matt, right? Pull marketing would be maybe you've got some YouTube videos on YouTube, and somebody watched a YouTube video and they gave you a call from there. That would all be pull marketing. The very nature of pull marketing is the exact opposite of push marketing. So pull marketing, the leads that come through there, they're going to be super, super qualified. Like this is your Google leads. These are Google ads. People who come in through there, they have sought you out. They have searched for someone who can help them with their problem. The very nature of pull marketing is that's always going to be a more qualified lead. So if in your business right now, you're thinking to yourself, I need more qualified leads. I need leads who are super qualified. Then your pull marketing strategy isn't strong enough. And maybe you're focused mostly on push marketing. But here's the downside of pull marketing is that you are not going to have enough lead flow coming through to really sustain some explosive growth, right? So if you have only pull marketing and all of your marketing is reliant on Google, then you are going to be putting yourself in a situation where you don't have enough lead flow to really sustain some massive growth, right? And so a lot of the time when I talk to contractors and I'm thinking in my mind of where do they stand in terms of push and pull marketing, a lot of the time, most contractors and most businesses, to be honest with you, don't have a good mix between push and pull marketing. They're either mostly on pull marketing or they're mostly on push marketing. And so our goal when we come into a business, a contracting business, is to be able to create a balance between push and pull marketing, because it's going to create a nice balance between high quality leads that are very qualified and easy to close, and then lower quality leads, but higher numbers of them that are going to fill your pipeline and allow you to build out a sales team and really start to scale, right? So push and pull marketing, the difference between that, super, super important to have both of these into your business. And this is exactly what we did for this landscaper who got the 575K in 90 days. It was a perfect strategy mixed between push marketing and pull marketing, because he had enough leads coming through from the push marketing to really expand, but then he had enough quality leads coming through from the pull marketing to be able to easily close some deals and be able to have some really low-hanging fruit. So again, I hope you found this video helpful, and I want you to perform a self-audit on your business. Is where do I stand? How much push marketing do I have? And how much pull marketing do I have? So push marketing is like, your flyers, your social media posts. This is like Facebook ads. This is, door hangers. This is door-to-door knocking on doors. And then pull marketing is like Google. Maybe you're doing like trade shows. That would be an example of pull marketing, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So like pull marketing is always people are coming to you, right? And so you need to have a balance between these two. So if you found this video helpful, I think you'd really benefit from checking out the case study that I put together here. So comment PDF and I'll send you that over, and you can take a look at what does it look like to have a good mix between push and pull marketing in your business. So then you can do the same thing and get those benefits as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. Maybe you didn't think about marketing in this kind of sense before. And again, like I would say, is I would urge you to just do a self-audit. Like look at your business. Cool, what are we doing for marketing? How much of that is push and how much of that is pull? If it's too much pull, then maybe up the push. If it's too much push, then maybe up the pull, so then you have a better balance in your business. Guys, hope you have a good one, and I'll make another video soon. And if you like this video and you want to see more content like this, comment below. And again, don't forget about that PDF. Comment PDF, and I'll send that over to you so you can check it out. Awesome, guys. Have a good one.